Hello friends, if you also want to use Spotify for free, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you step by step. How can you guys use Spotify for free? There are two ways to use Spotify for free. First, you can buy Spotify Premium, in which you are given all the songs absolutely free, which you can play offline also. Another way is to download the playlist of any of your favorite singers in Spotify. To download the playlist, click on the playlist of any of your favorite singers. After that, you will see an option here, download. You have to click on it. Here you can see this download icon, you have to click on it. Now here you have to click on stay on Spotify free. In this way you can use Spotify offline. You can listen to whatever playlist you have downloaded offline. With these methods you can use Spotify offline, and that too for free. If you liked this video, then subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.